So hello dear students, today we will take some other type of questions in this chapter, coordinate geometry. So one question I have written here, the length of a line segment is of 10 unit. You have been given a line segment, let's say this is a line segment and its a complete length has been given. Let's say this is the point P and this is the point Q. This length PQ you have been given here, how much is 10 unit. The length of a line segment is 10 unit. This PQ length has been given here as 10 unit. This complete length is of 10 unit. Okay, and the coordinates of one end point are 2 comma minus 3. One end point, let's say coordinates of these points are, this one point is 2 comma minus 3. Okay, if the abscissa of the other end, one more point is here, its abscissa has been given. Abscissa means the x coordinate and ordinate is the y coordinate. Okay, it has been given that if the abscissa of the other end is 10 unit, abscissa is 10 unit. Okay, abscissa means the x coordinate is 10 unit. Find the ordinate of the other end, means its ordinate you have to find out. Let's say the ordinate is x or y, whatever you take. Okay, let the ordinate of the other end is x. Like I'm writing here, let the ordinate is x. Ordinate is x. Abscissa has been given here 10. Visible? Yes. Let the ordinate is x and abscissa has been given. And this complete length has been given here as 10 unit. Means PQ has been given here. PQ has been given 10 unit. And coordinates of P has been given here. What are the coordinates of P? These are 2 comma minus 3. And coordinates of Q also has been given. These are 10 comma minus x. So from here you can find out, we will use here, obviously we will use here distance formula because distance has been given here. So distance formula we will use here, but for the distance formula you need x1 y1 x2 y2. So let me write x1 y1 from here. So from here if you write, x1 will be 2, okay, and y1 will be how much? Minus 3. Similarly from here, x2 will be 10 and y2 will be x. Okay, now we will use their distance formula. Using distance formula, so distance formula is PQ is equals to under root, what is the formula? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. PQ has been given here. What is PQ here? PQ has been given here as 10 unit is equals to under root x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. x2 is 10 and x1 is 2. Means 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus 1. y2 is x and y1 is minus 3. y2 is x. y2 is x minus y1 is minus 3. So this minus will become plus whole square. Okay. Now what I will do? I will square both sides. Squaring both sides. So while you are squaring both sides, so this square root will be removed from here. Okay. So I will write here squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So while you are squaring both sides, so square of 10 is 100. Okay, square of 10 is 100. And if you want the square, you will square this one RHS. So this square root will be removed. So what will be left there? Inside means 10 minus 2, 8 square will be left plus x plus 3 whole square will be left. On this much will be square root will be removed from here. So this is 100 will be equals to, visible or not? Let me write it correctly. 100 will be equals to square of 8 is 64 plus, now square this, a plus b whole square. You have to know the formula. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a is x, so x is square. This is a square plus b square means a square of 3, it is 9 plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 3 is 6x. It will be 6x. Are you getting this? Now this complete you have to move, you have to take there. Okay, or you do one thing, this 100 you bring back here, this 100 will come here, so this 100 is positive, will come here and will become negative. So what is left now here? Here we left x square, writing first. Okay, let me write once more. It is 100 is equals to, it is x square plus 6x, 9 plus 64 will be how much? Can you tell me? Yes, it is 73. So now this 100 will come here and it will become minus. So it will be x square plus 6x plus 73 minus 100 will be equals to 0. This one side or that one side, whatever you want to write. Okay. So it will become x square plus 6x, and 100 minus 73, sign will be of the negative one. So it will be minus 100 minus 73 will be how much? Can you subtract this? 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. It will be 27 is equals to 0. Now by factorizing, using the factorization method, you can factorize this also. 27 manja, here it is 1. So 27 manja 27. Factors of 27. You need 2 factors of 27 so that their sum is 6. Yes, I have 9 3 is 27. 9 3 is 27 and 9 minus 3 is 6. So in place of 6 I will write there 9 minus 3. So now I will solve this one question here. So it will become x square plus 9 minus 3 into x minus 27 will be equals to 0. So it will be x square plus, open this bracket, will be 9x minus 3x minus 27 equals to 0. What will be common here? X. If you will take x common here, so it will be x plus 9. Here minus 3 will have to take common, so it will be x. It will become plus 9 equals to 0. So x plus 9 and another one is x minus 3. So from here you have two values of x. X plus 9 equals to 0. From here value of x will be plus 9, so will become minus 9. And from here x minus 3 equals to 0, x will be minus 3 will become plus 3. So these are the two values of x. So what will be the abscissa? Abscissa has been given here. What would be the ordinate here? Ordinate can be minus 9 also, and ordinate can be 3 also. Means this one point can be 10 comma minus 9 also, and 10 comma 3 also. In both the ways you have the same answer, 10 unit. Okay. So what will be the ordinate here? Ordinate will be minus 9 or 3. Okay. So this is how you will solve these sort of questions. Okay dear? Are you getting this? Just note it down. Now I am writing another question. Same question will be there. Okay. Let me write the question. Okay. First you note it down. Okay. I am erasing the question only here. Let me write the question. And just see the difference. No difference is there. Okay. Let me write only the question, which you have to solve on your own. Okay. Question is, find the value of a when the distance between the points when the distance between the points write down, three comma a and right there 3 comma a and 4 comma 1 is under root 10. This is the distance which has been given here. Okay. So here you have to find the value of a. Now see, in place of p you have been given the points here 3 comma a. In place of q the point is 4 comma 1. Okay. Now distance has been given here, not 10, it is square root of 10. Now similarly, same way you have to use this one formula. PQ is under root 10. P 3 comma A, this point is 3 comma A. X1 will be 3, Y1 will be A. Okay. Now Q point is 4 comma 1. This point is 4 comma 1. X2 is 4 now here. And Y2 is 1 here now. Now you will put this in this formula. So it will be square root of 10 is equal to under root square root of x2 minus x1, 4 minus 3. Here you will have to write 4 minus 3, y2 minus y1, 1 minus a. Here 1 minus a. Now squaring both sides. So while you are squaring both sides, square of under root 10 will be 10 now. Remember this. While you are squaring both the sides, so from here while you are squaring this, square root will be removed, so this will be not 100, this will be 10 now. Square of under root 10 is 10, and similarly from here also square root will be removed, so it will be 4 minus 3 means 1 square plus 1 minus a means a minus b whole square you have to use here. A square means 1 square plus b square a square plus 2ab means 2a, sorry, minus 2ab, minus 2a. So you'll have to solve this. So you will get the value of a from here. Are you getting this? So you have to do this one question on your own. Hope you are getting this now. Okay. One more question I will give you here. It is same. That's why I have written it. Okay. Now let me raise this question. You have to do this one question on your own. Now let me write one more question here. And the question is, write down the question. Find the value of x for which, question is, find the value of x for which the distance between the points, a x comma 2 and b 9 comma 8 is 10 unit. Okay. Now you have been given 2 points a b, not p q. This point is a, this point is b, and coordinates of point a are x comma 2. In place of this you have to write x comma 2. Getting this? In place of b you have to write 9 comma 8. Getting? And this distance has been given here 10 again. Okay. So in place of pq it is 10, not under root 10 now. So in place of a, pq, in place of pq right now ab. Okay. First point is a now and second point is b now. Coordinates of a are x comma 2. Here it is x and here it is 2. So x1 is x and y1 is 2. Getting? Similarly in coordinates of b are 9 comma 8. So x2 will be 9 and y2 will be 8. So same way use this formula now. AB equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square. In place of AB you have to write now 10. Put this formula here. Square of 10 will be 100. So same way you have to solve this and you will get the value of x again. Okay. Same way you have to find the value of x here also. Okay. So this is how you will solve these similar questions. Okay. Similar questions I have taken. Some questions are there from the R.D. Sharma book and some questions are are from their NCERT. Okay. So together we have taken these questions. So solve these questions. Okay. And just practice it. Keep on practicing. Okay. Now in the next video we will solve some other type of questions here. Okay then. Stay tuned.